Welcome to Solutions Studio. This is a free series on C programming language. If you like these videos, please subscribe to follow along with this series. Also, please like and leave a comment and share the video to help spread this series. Hello and welcome to this episode, and in this episode we want to discuss about arrays of pointers. So a common use of an array of pointer is to form an array of strings. And this is simply referred to as string array. So this is a string array. Each element in this string array is essentially a pointer to its first character. So that means that each entry that you see here in this array, they are actually a pointer to a string's first character. This pointer has 4 elements, and this char in here, it indicates that each suit element is of the type pointer to char. The qualifier constant that we have in here indicates that the string each element points cannot be modified. These strings that you see in here, they are placed into arrays themselves, and each of them are stored in memory as a null terminated character string that's one character longer than the number of characters in the codes. So for this string there will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7, including the null characters. And once again, as we said before, although it appears that these strings are being placed into this array, only pointers are actually stored in this array. And this diagram in here is a good illustration of how these string characters are stored in this array. And as we said before, each pointer points to the first character of its corresponding string. And that's why even the char array is fixed in size. It can point to character strings of any length. And this is one of the good flexibilities that we have in C programming language. And this is one of the most powerful features of data structuring capabilities in C programming language. In fact, this suits array could have been placed into a 2-dimensional array in which each row would represent a suit and each column would represent a letter from that suit name. And such a data structure would have to have a fixed number of columns per row, and that number would have to be as large as the largest string, and therefore a considerable amount of memory could have been wasted when storing many strings that are shorter than the longest string. And that's it for this episode. I hope this has been informative for you, and I would like to see you in the coming episodes. Stay tuned.